Hi everybody, it's Tammy Tam, Cali style, coming back at you today for another video. I just want to say hi to you guys. How are you doing? I missed you already. I'm like getting so addicted to this. It's so exciting, you guys. So exciting. So today, you guys, I'm coming with you today. In California, we have a place called Del Taco. So that's where I'm eating at today. And you guys, I'm gonna try that singing challenge, the Beloved singing challenge. I want to do that. You got to sing for 15 minutes and then I can stop. I can't sing, but it's fun, right? Why not do something fun? So I guess I will go ahead and get started now, you guys. This is crazy. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Okay, here we go. Today I got me Del Taco. I got a taco. And somebody parked next to me. And I hate that. And I got a burrito. It's a beef burrito. And it has cheese and red sauce on it. So I got it. Oh, and I went ahead. I went ahead and upsized it. I made it bigger with some, not just any French fries, but some. Oh, they made it messy. And it is some chili cheddar fries, y'all, that they made messy. Look like they just threw it in there. Or maybe I flipped it over in a bag. But I guess it's gonna get messy in my mouth. Anyway, why I sound like I'm at church. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I have to sing it all, I guess, right now. Oh, and I got me a large cherry Coke, because everybody know if you go to Del Taco, you gotta get a cherry Coke. Yes. Oh, and I asked for some sauce from them today, and they gave me some Del Scorcho sauce. You see that, y'all? Del Scorcho sauce. And it's not that spicy, though, like I had before. So let's get started and see how good this tastes. I'm having a good day today, y'all. I hope y'all are too. It's good to see you, be back with you. Oh, yeah. Now let me get my taste on. As y'all know, I'm always hungry at my lunch breaks. I only get an hour. But I'm glad I'm able to spend it with you. Whoa, yeah. Now that is so good to me. It's so good to my soul. Well, let's taste that taco before it gets soggy. Let me back up some more so I can have room to eat. So I can spread my feet. Y'all not talking to me now. I guess when you sing your food, it go all kind of ways. You can get soulful, you can get churchful. For me, it's been churchful. Let me see if I can change it up. But y'all may like the churchful, and y'all may like the soulful. But tell you what, you may like. No. Let me stop playing around and eat this good old food while it's hot. While it's hot. Oh, y'all, I put some scorcho on this taco because it's about to be in my mouth. Look at that taco, y'all, with the tomato stuck to it. Sour cream on it, too. Some of these fries while I can. The ones that's dry. If y'all ain't never been to Del Taco, comment below and let me know if you've been. And if you like their food, it's pretty good. If you haven't been, you must go and get you a taco. This is fun, but I suggest another challenge for all y'all out there. Tell me what you think in the comments below. I said it in my last video. Drink your drink last challenge. After you eat, if you're eating spicy food or some bread or biscuits, you can't drink nothing until you ate up all your food. I think that would be a fun challenge too. Don't you? Del Taco. They have the best cheddar cheese. They have the best cheddar cheese. And it's about that quality. I haven't had this in a while, but I wanted to try it with y'all. Because yesterday I did the eat what the person ordered in front of you challenge, and it was 2 men in a construction truck, and they ordered everything out the book. I spent $25 at Taco Bell. That's like $100 at Taco Bell. Cause $25 you get a lot of food at Taco Bell. Y'all gotta go watch it. And go like it. Go subscribe. Click that bell to be notified. Y'all, in this one too, you gotta go like it, subscribe, and click that bell to be notified. Yeah. This challenge is so fun. But I keep looking at the timer. Is it 15 minutes yet? Because I just want to talk, y'all. What have I done? This is so good to me. I'm trying to change up the beat. Good. And it's so tasty too. Now, I know I mentioned the drink and drink last challenge, but that don't qualify for today. Yo, I got my burrito in my hand. A burrito in my hand. Yeah, yes, sir. And I'm gonna put some Del Scorcho. That's Taco Bell. I'm gonna put the Del Scorcho hot sauce on my burrito, baby. Like on Friday, what the Father say? Put some hot sauce on my burrito, baby. Friday lovers, y'all must go see what I'm talking about to me. That's called a Del Beef Burrito Combo. Del Beef Burrito, baby. Yes, I got 2 minutes left. And I'm excited because I did it. I did it. I sang for 15 minutes, y'all. I sang for 15 minutes, y'all. I'm going to have to go a little past 15 minutes because I started 1 minute in. So, yes, we're going to do it again. No, we not. I'm telling you, don't judge my singing. Don't judge my singing. Please don't judge my singing. Yeah. This is so good to me. So good to me. Y'all gonna have to try a Del Taco and try it right. They went ahead and put sour cream on everything. I didn't tell them to do that, but it's alright. I'm getting full, y'all. Don't you hate when you be so hungry and you start eating, and you get full so soon. It said 15 minutes and 8 seconds. I'm gonna wait 16 minutes in because I started 1 minute in. Y'all know what I mean. This challenge has been fun, but I would never sing another challenge again. No way. No way. I went back to the church version. I keep going that direction. Oh, what you gotta say? Don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me, y'all. I'm gonna finish this for y'all. 16 minutes, dun 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 dun. 16 minutes, y'all. Hallelujah. Y'all, try to sing the sing challenge 15 minutes. OMG. Now, if you could sing like, you know, Lady T or TY, okay. But it's fun. It's fun. How you guys doing? I hope you guys weren't getting too much tortured out there. But I had fun. That was fun. Now I'm going to finish my burrito. Put some more scorcho on that. So you guys, my work people, they've been telling me that they want to do some of these challenges with me. I don't mind it, you know. I don't. I think it's gonna be exciting. So you may start seeing me come with some of my co-workers. You know, they're fun. So make sure you guys subscribe, like it, and click that bell to be notified. Okay? Because you're gonna want some more of me. Yes, you are. All right, y'all. Thank you again. We're gonna go ahead and end it now. I have to go back to work, but I love you. Look for me next time. Like I said, subscribe, like, click that bell to be notified. And this is Tammy Tam, Cali style, going out. See you guys later. Bye-bye.